Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try repainting over this canvas here that I did a couple weeks ago. When I did the clear coat, I ended up getting brush strokes in the canvas, which I didn't really like that look, and I tried to correct it using fine sandpaper, and that did not work. I also ended up finding a dog hair in this canvas that is here in the white area. So I'm going to try and repaint over it. I don't know how the paint is going to adhere since it already has the clear coat on there. So we're going to go ahead and see what happens. I'm going to use a couple different colors today. I'm going to start with the acrylic violet paint, and then I'm also going to add in some white to make a lighter shade of that color. And around the outside I'm going to use the Master's Touch permanent black. So we're going to mix these together and see what happens. The Master's Touch, you can find it, any art store. It's about $6.99, pretty reasonably priced. So let's mix these up and see what happens. So you want your paint and Floetrol mixture about 1 part paint and 2 parts Floetrol. You'll see that it runs off the popsicle stick pretty easily. So what I'm going to do next is just add some silicone to the lighter purple. And what I usually do is pour it for about 5 seconds, and that seems like a good amount of silicone for about half of an 8-ounce cup filled. I'm using the 100% silicone treadmill lubricant. I've seen other people online use different types of spray silicone, like WD-40 has silicone in it, but from what I have read, those can end up yellowing your painting over time, and if these are items that you are going to want to sell, that's not something that you're going to want added into your painting. And now it's time to start mixing the paint. I actually really like this. So hopefully the paint ends up adhering to the canvas, because again we did this over the clear coat, so I'm not really sure what it's going to do. So I'm just making sure to position the cups in the corners of the canvas. The one thing you really want to make sure is that they're far in the corners to where they're supported by the wood, because if not, then you can end up getting the circle part of the cup showing through on your canvas, which you definitely don't want. So what I'm going to do next is just take this popsicle stick and I run it along the edges just to make sure, well, to stop the running paint, so then I can let this piece dry for about a week. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you some details of this painting. It isn't dry yet, this is the next morning, but this piece will be dry in about a week or so, and then I will be doing another video on applying the Minwax Polycrylic Semi-Gloss Clear Coat, which I am hoping I will do correctly this time so that I do not yet again ruin another painting. So stay tuned next week and we will do a clear coat on this beautiful piece and see how it turns out. Thanks.